My channel Experimental Gardening. Today's video is about the money plant. The winter is coming. It is the last week of October and we are expecting frost anywhere in the next week. So I have to save this plant. So I bought this in the month of July and it has grown in 3 months. So yeah, I have like 3 4 big branches, so I will cut those branches and propagate indoor. So just to take out from the pot, just tap it and the soil will be loose and you will be able to take it out very easily. So this plant actually grows in zone 8 is zone 10 to 12 and I am in zone 7, so it will not survive here. So it is necessary to protect it from the cold weather. So just take out this from the pot and clear the soil whatever you can with your hands. Gently rub them from your hand, not tightly because the roots may be damaged. Then wash them with fresh water or your hose and then put in a glass of jar. And if you need to trim the roots, just trim some of the roots because you are not going to grow it indoor a big plant. You are only to keep it alive during the winter time, and when the weather will start warming up like in April, you can put them outdoor again in a big pot so they will grow again, and every year you will do this. I noticed that this is not a single plant. It has like 6 to 8 cuttings. They have grown from the cuttings and there's a bunch of cuttings. So each cutting you can see it is very visible. So I'm going to put it in this glass of water, and this is enough for it to survive during the winter. So I'm just trimming some of the roots which I don't need during the winter time. So I just want to keep it alive. So guys, I think you will also save your this kind of tendrous plants which cannot survive in your zone. Just bring them indoor and put in water. So it has some big branches. I am going to take the cutting and I will propagate them indoor in my perlite propagation box. Then I will put them outdoor when the weather will start warming up. So guys, I hope you like this video and you will also save your plants, and they are very easy to put in water and they are maintenance free. Just put the water and every 15 or 20 days you can remove the plant and put some fresh water. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel. I will appreciate it. Thank you.